In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to set up and connect your Moonton account to play Mobile Legends on your PC. If you're ready to harness the full power of the Mobile Legends experience with more control and precision, follow along as we guide you through the step-by-step process. First, you need to access the official Mobile Legends website. Open your web browser and type in u.mobilelegends.com. This site acts as the official hub where you'll create your Moonton account. Once you're on the website, locate the login or register option, which is usually at the top right corner of the page. By clicking on this, you'll find the option to sign up. Here's where you'll start creating your Moonton account. Begin by entering your email address. It's generally recommended to use a Gmail account for ease of access and better integration with other apps. Next, you'll need to set up a password. Make sure it's strong and memorable. Additionally, choose a nickname that represents you in the game. Once you've filled in these details, click the register or sign up button to proceed. To finalize the registration process, you'll have to verify your email. Check your Gmail inbox for a confirmation email from Mobile Legends. Click the confirmation link provided to activate your account. Don't skip this step, as verification is essential for account security and recovery options. With your Moonton account ready, it's time to open Mobile Legends on your PC. For this, you'll need an Android emulator like BlueStacks, LD Player, or Nox Player. These tools allow you to run Android apps on your computer, giving you the same experience as playing on a smartphone, but with the added benefits of a larger screen and better controls. Install your preferred emulator and set it up following the on-screen instructions. Once you have it ready, log into your Google account within the emulator and search for Mobile Legends in the App Store to download it. After installation, launch Mobile Legends to prepare for the final step. Now it's time to connect your Moonton account to your Mobile Legends game. In the game interface, head over to your profile, then navigate to account settings. Here, you'll want to find the option that says Connect. You'll be prompted to choose the type of account to connect. Select Moonton account as your preference. Use the email and password you registered with earlier to log in. Once you've successfully entered your credentials, confirm the connection. Congratulations, your Moonton account is now linked to Mobile Legends on your PC. You can enjoy the enhanced gameplay experience with peace of mind, knowing your account is secure and ready for battle. Happy gaming!